Welcome back to Fun King Garage, and it's actually kind of a welcome back for me as well. So listen, I realize that there has not been a lot of content flowing out of the channel as of lately. And I can give you a lot of excuses. But really what it comes down to is that I ended up getting COVID around the holidays, and the fatigue from it has been excruciating. I can sometimes work for 30 minutes at a time, and then I am just wrecked. So, as time has progressed, I am getting better and better, and I am getting back out into the garage to do more and more projects. A lot of it has been filmed, it just needs to be edited and uploaded. So it's all coming, I promise you that. Now, that's not the purpose of this video. I did not come out here to film today to run a bunch of excuses and oh, woe is me. What I'm truly here to say is thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you who watch the channel and subscribe to the channel. Even though there hasn't been a lot of content as of lately, the channel growth has still been there, and it's what's motivated me to get better and get back out here. Watching the subscriber count go up, even though there hasn't been any content, absolutely it just touches me, and I thank each and every one of you sincerely, absolutely sincerely. So I'm really just here to say that kind of a little channel update. It's still going on. There is still more Fummins project coming. Unfortunately, the Explorer project is dead in the water. The vehicle was totaled. Driver's okay, vehicle was totaled. So that particular Overlander process will no longer be going on, though I am looking for a replacement for it. So it's coming. If you're an Overlander or an Explorer enthusiast, I am looking to fill that void. So don't run away from me yet. As far as some other projects coming up, there's so many that I want to tell you about, but I don't want to tell you about. I don't really want to let the cat out of the bag. I will tell you that I have a roadside resurrection coming. I also have my 92 Eagle Talon project that is moving up the priority list that I want to start cranking on. And also at this point, which we are towards the end of February, I have about 100 days before the Hot Rod Power Tour. And I really want to do it this year, and I'm seriously considering dragging my 66 Thunderbird out of the weeds, getting it running and taking it on the power tour. So we'll see how that goes. If that doesn't work out, I have a couple other things in line that might be there. There are at least 3 other projects that I can think of off the top of my head, automotive related, that are going to come in. There are some changes happening in the shop. If you can tell by my background, it's not the same. I got some new stuff going on. So thank you guys again. Thank you so much for hanging with me and subscribing to the channel. I do promise you there's good reason that the content isn't here, and I do promise you that the content is coming. I have not abandoned the channel. I have not abandoned you, and I appreciate all of you. So for now, it's time for me to, well, I'm not taking my tool bag because I'm not going anywhere, but it is time for me to get back to work. So thanks for watching.